Welcome to Soft Skill Class 3. Last class we discussed about one of the element of 10 characteristics of soft skills. If you have missed the last class, you can uh, see the link in the description. This is online class for those who really wants to succeed in their life. So mostly all videos are just 20 to 30 minutes long. So please have patience and watch the video fully. At the end, please like or dislike and write your comments also. If you like to continue this class, please subscribe it. Tell your friends to join this channel by sharing it, as this channel is absolutely free for online class. Today we shall discuss about adaptability. Last class we had seen one of the elements of soft skills, that is attitude. But today let us discuss about adaptability. What is adaptability? So adaptability is very important element of soft skills, just like attitude. Attitude is very important. In the same way, adaptability also plays very important role in soft skill in making our career. So let us see what is the meaning of adaptability. So the simple meaning of adaptability is changing oneself according to a new environment. uh, Sometimes some situation comes where we face some new changes. That changes may be in environment, maybe surrounding us, or maybe in technology, or maybe social problems also, or social changes also. So we should have a capacity, we should have some ability, and not only ability, the willingness also to accept that change. So that is called as adaptability, changing oneself according to a new environment. Similarly, let us see what is the definition of adaptability. So the definition of adaptability is it is an ability and willingness to mold oneself into a changed situation to fit exactly in the new situation for survival. So adaptability is a kind of survival management. So if someone wants to really get success in their work or in their profession or in their life or in their career, then adaptability is one of the very important factor. Now if we don't change, what will happen? So changes always take place, not only in the nature but also in social and in the field of technology. So we must keep track with changing environment. If we don't keep track, then certainly we are going to face many problems and we may land to unsuccessful. Hence adaptability is important and must be learnt. If we don't keep ourselves changing, certainly we shall be lagged behind. Now the best example of adaptability is like we will take two examples here to understand what is adaptability and what is the importance of adaptability. So let us take an example of Microsoft Corporation. Microsoft Corporation came late somewhere around 1980 in the software field, but captured the market worldwide in a very short span of time, leaving behind many early software companies. Why? Because Microsoft always kept changing according to the changes that came in computer technology from time to time. So that's why Microsoft is one of the successful software company. Now if you take another example of e-commerce company uh, like Amazon. So many e-commerce company started before and after, but the Amazon is one of the top. Why? Because Amazon always tries to keep itself changing according to the change environment, according to the change requirement of the people. So whoever keep changing according to new situation will succeed, else failure is sure. So I think you understand well the importance of adaptability. Now we shall take some more cases, and we'll try to understand further what is the importance of adaptability. So there was a big land where plenty of long grasses and strong and tall trees were there. One day, a heavy cyclone came. The wind was almost 200 kilometer per hour. And what happened when the cyclone came? The long grass, as they were flexible, bore down in the direction of wind and got saved because the grass is soft in nature. So when the cyclone came, the heavy wind came, they simply bore down and the wind passed over them and nothing happened to grass. But at the same time, now if we compare the tree, what happened to the trees? When the wind blew, trees stood straight, opposing the direction of wind, and was rooted out from the ground. Uh, so now if you compare these two things, you'll find that uh, the grass was very soft and molded itself or changed itself according to the direction of the wind, and it was safe. But whereas tree could not do like that, and the tree was completely rooted out from the ground. So what did you understand from this story? From this story we clearly understand that if we are rigid in our decision and don't change according to the situation, then we are going to face serious problems in our life and even in our career. So now let us take one more example of adaptability. Suresh is a graduate from Tamil Nadu. He is a first class student, first class engineering graduate student. He got an offer of a job from Delhi with a CTC of rupees 14 lakhs. He immediately decided to join that company and move to Delhi. But he has no knowledge of Hindi. Moreover, he was not accustomed to the North Indian foods and atmosphere. And as a result of this, what happened? As a result of this, he could not work in that company for a very long time. In a very short period, he started facing so many problems like language problem, food problem, atmosphere problem, and finally he decided to leave that job and return back to home. So why this happened? Because he never tried to compromise with the new changed situation, and because of that he has to leave that job and return back. And because of that, Suresh did not follow adaptability and had to lose his job. He should have learned the local languages slowly. What was the solution actually? The solution was that he should have learned the local languages slowly. He should have habituated the food found over there and arranged to protect himself from the unbearable atmosphere like cold, heat and all. Now he is working in a small firm, satisfying himself with a small job. So uh, now I think you understood the importance of adaptability. So if we don't accept and follow adaptability in our life, if we don't compromise with the new change situation, then certainly we are going to face so many problems. So adaptability is very important part of our life. So what are the advantages we are going to get if we follow adaptability? So the first thing is success. We are going to get success, and we can discover new things. It also helps in modernization. it leads to productivity and improves efficiency of work. So these are the advantages we get when we accept and follow adaptability in our life. So now the next question is how to develop adaptability in our life or in our career. So there are 10 basic points which if we simply follow, we may uh, get an adaptability in our life. We can accept adaptability in our life. They are respond to changes. So that means whenever there is a new change, we must respond it and we must accept it. Develop negotiative ability. We have to compromise with the situation or the change environment. Learn to work in a worst situation. So we should have capacity, we should have ability, and we should have willingness to work in worst situation also. Sometimes what happens, some people they work in a very good environment, and suddenly when they are sent to a worst environment, they are not able to survive. So we have to learn that. Listen other views. Whether you follow or not, listen other views. And if you feel correct, you follow it. If you don't, you can drop it. But listen it. Learn medium of communication. Miss, wherever you work, you should know their local languages. You should be able to communicate well. So that is very important. Be a new learner. Always try to learn new things. Be optimistic and be ready to relocate to new places. That is also important. So you should have ability. You should have willingness to relocate to new places. Have a flexible personality and support changes like automation. So these are the 10 points. If we simply follow this, we can get adaptability. We can develop adaptability in ourselves. So uh, Charles Darwin says, it is not the strongest of the species that survives, nor the most intelligent that survives. It is the one that is most adaptable to change. So this is the saying of Charles Darwin. So he also gave more emphasis on adaptability. So uh, if you support this channel, if you like this channel, you can support this channel by purchasing a book which is written by us, Transform Your Career into Success. Thank you. Jai Hind.